Hello friends, today I will give you the complete method to grow an apple plant at home. Let's start. Take a healthy apple. Now, now cut that apple and separate all the seeds from it. You have to clean them very well. These are the seeds. Now take a plastic box or a bag that can be airtighted and take some tissues also. Now open the box and place the tissue in it. Tissue or toilet paper. You can use any of them. Place the paper by making some layers so that it could hold much water for seed growth. Now I will put the seeds gently on the paper. Place them with some places, with some spaces for good growth. Now place another but comparatively thin layer of tissue paper. Place it correctly. Now we will add some water. You can spray or add directly on it, but spray will be good, will be better. Add much water that the tissue will be fully wet. That is too important for the seed growth because these are hard seeds and check the tissue paper correctly. If you feel it is dry, then add more water. If you have added more water, you can take it out by tilting the box. Now we will close the box and place it in a shady or dark place. As you know, root growth speeds up in dark place. Don't open the container daily to check the seeds. Open minimum after 3 days. Check this seed has grown a root. Other seeds will also grow root in some days. I will plant these seeds in different mediums and different pots. Check these lovely apple plants. They are of about 30 days. If your plant stems turn red, then don't worry about it, because I have also wasted my one plant by uprooting it to check why its stem turned red. At the start they will be green, but after some time they will turn red, and don't worry about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like for more exciting videos.